Ripple Explained, a simple guide to XRP. The XRP ledger was created in 2011 by three engineers, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito, and it's also called XRPL. Inspired by Bitcoin, they set out to construct a better version that addressed its shortcomings, to create a more sustainable digital asset designed strictly for payments. The XRP ledger was first launched in June 2012. Shortly after that, they were joined by Chris Larsen, and the group started the company NewCoin in September 2012, which was quickly renamed OpenCoin and is now known as Ripple. The XRPL founders have gifted 80 billion XRP to the company, and since then, Ripple has put the majority in escrow. In today's video, we'll talk about XRP, explain the XRP ledger, its benefits, and the relationship between Ripple and XRP. We'll also cover the SEC lawsuit. But before we begin, thank you for choosing to watch this video. To see more of these videos, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get the latest crypto news and updates. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset native to the XRP ledger, an open-source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology. XRP was created in 2012 to improve payment processes. Transactions on the ledger may be settled in 3 to 5 seconds using XRP. It was essentially designed to be a better Bitcoin, faster, cheaper, and more environmentally friendly than any other digital currency. Understanding XRP ledger development. In early 2011, three developers, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito, were inspired by Bitcoin but became aware of the waste associated with mining. They aimed to develop a better long-lasting mechanism for transferring assets, an idea outlined in a May 2011 forum post, Bitcoin without mining. Their first predictions regarding Bitcoin's high energy usage and scalability difficulties were proven correct. As it stands, Bitcoin mining consumes more energy than the country Portugal as a whole. Furthermore, their first reading suggested that substantial issues may occur if the miner gained more than 50% of the mining power. That risk persists with Bitcoin, and Ethereum for that matter, as mining power has become rather consolidated in China. In 2012, XRPL launched its native currency, XRP. The three engineers proceeded to work on developing a distributed ledger that improved on Bitcoin's core constraints, initially dubbing the code Ripple. To follow the same naming practice as Bitcoin, the ledger includes a digital asset first known as Ripples. Ripple stood for the open source project, a unique consensus ledger known as Ripple Consensus Ledger, the transaction protocol known as Ripple Transaction Protocol or RTXP, the network and the digital asset known as Ripples. This method resulted in several wide applications of the term Ripple. To avoid confusion, the community began referring to the digital asset by its currency code, XRP. By June 2012, Schwartz, McCaleb, and Brito had finished code development, and the ledger was complete. When the XRP ledger went online, a percentage of the XRP was given to a new firm that established user cases for the digital asset, which was first called NewCoin, but shortly renamed OpenCoin. At the time of OpenCoin's founding, Jed was co-founder and CTO. David Schwartz was the chief cryptography officer, and Arthur Brito was an advisor. OpenCoin rebranded to Ripple Labs. OpenCoin sought to alter the global financial system in its early days. Despite the revolutionary intentions of many early Bitcoin supporters, Larsen never imagined blockchain technology being utilized to destroy the existing financial system. He thought that history's most incredible transformational breakthroughs have always relied on rather than displacing the great ideas that came before them. In early talks with potential clients, the team was questioned about the distinctions between the Ripple project and the OpenCoin startup. As the community began to refer to the digital asset as XRP, firm executives chose to rename the company Ripple Labs, which has now been shortened to Ripple. Ripple has developed a use case for liquidity management in its cross-border payments business that leverages the XRP ledger and XRP. Ripple is still a participant in and contributor to the larger XRPL community. The XRPL Foundation launched. The XRPL Foundation, launched on September the 24th, 2020, is an independent and non-profit organization which aims to advance the development and adoption of the decentralized XRP ledger. The foundation received an initial commitment of more than $6.5 million from Coil, Ripple, and GateHub to fund its efforts in support of the expanding number of developers and other community members working on the XRP ledger. The SEC lawsuit. Recently, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse revealed that his company is willing to explore a different path if they lose the SEC lawsuit. In fact, he specifically claimed that the company is willing to explore moving to a different jurisdiction if Ripple loses the lawsuit against the SEC. It's no surprise that Ripple is willing to wrap up its operations in the US. There seems to be no end in sight to the lawsuit, and the SEC has refreshed its resolve against Ripple's legal team. In fact, new reports have revealed that the SEC has adopted a new and more aggressive strategy against the blockchain firm through the Wahi complaint. Right now, over 70,000 XRP holders have joined John Dayton's class action lawsuit against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Dayton, the SEC's decision to file a lawsuit against Ripple and its executives for violation of securities law has affected the value of XRP, thereby causing financial damage to the asset's investors. How is XRP used in trading? XRP is traded on over 100 marketplaces and exchanges around the world. The cheap transaction costs and dependability of XRP, along with its high-speed transactions, enable traders to use the digital asset as high-speed, cost-efficient, and reliable collateral across crypto exchanges, seizing arbitrage opportunities, servicing margin calls, and managing general trading inventory in real time. Because of the properties associated with the structure in XRP and the ecosystem, traders worldwide may quickly shift collateral, bridge currencies, and switch from one crypto to another across many cryptocurrency exchanges. What is the relationship between Ripple and XRP? Ripple is a technology company that builds a high-performance global payments business. XRP is a digital asset independent of this. There is a finite amount of XRP, and all XRP is already in existence today. No more than the original 100 billion can be created. Ripple received 80 billion XRP, the platform's native currency, from the XRPL creators. Ripple has locked 55 billion XRP, 55% of the entire potential supply, into a series of escrows using the XRP ledger to offer predictability to the XRP supply. The XRPL's transaction processing rules, as enforced by the Consensus Protocol, manage XRP release. So, in conclusion, Ripple, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, is still ranked 7 with a market value of $16 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Because of the large number of coins in circulation, almost 45 billion, they are inexpensive and many investors hold some in their portfolios. Ripple has been a well-known brand for many years, and despite the fact that Ripple's CEO is threatening to leave the US if it loses the SEC case, XRP continues to have a large number of supporters and believers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be the first to watch the following videos and for more blockchain, crypto, Web3, NFT, and finance updates and news.